Hello everyone, welcome to my personal computer workspace. This is my 15-inch MacBook Pro which runs on a 2.2 GHz Intel Core i7. This is the screen of my personal computer, as you can see there, which is actually a computer that I've used 2 nights to assemble myself. And so I've self-taught myself how to assemble a computer. That's great. Well, today I'm going to talk about a project that I've been working on over the days. So, as you can see here, this is actually a password generator called WordPass. So, well, basically, the users will generate their passwords and store them into core data inside here. Well, if you type the password, which is actually something I preset before this video, so I set it to 123, and after you enter done, then you'll enter the user interface. Well, this is actually a very basic prototype of mine, so it's not really good in the user interface part. But, as you can see here, this is the place where it shows the generated password, and the blue space is that it shows a phonetic password. So it actually shows a phonetic interpretation for the password, and so the users can memorize them easily. So as you can see, if I set the password length in the switch box to 5, and I tick all of them, like the lowercase, the uppercase, the numbers, the punctuations, and the phonetics, and when I press generate, it will generate a password, which I've used through the NSArray and also the random algorithms provided by the tutorials or by the Apple documentation. However, there's a big problem. It's that, well, as this app is just a prototype and it's just used to help me to aid my learning, so there's actually lots of problems. But as you can see, I've added a core data function. So if you press this button, it will save the things in core data. However, if I press this button, as you can see here, there will be a slight jam, because I think that the main cause of this problem is that I use 2 different core data things. So as you can see, it's like a board function, I don't know. But basically, this is actually the prototype that I've been creating. And here there are also a few more things that I've been creating, like the locate me, but I'm not going to talk about it. However, I'm going to talk about another application that I've installed on my mom's also my mom's friend's phone. Okay, please wait a moment. As you can see here, this is actually a very basic application, and this is also my second application after the password generator. So I've used this application to learn more about the navigation bar and tab bar functions, and also about core data, which I've implemented into the password generator. As you can see here, this is about the students and the people, and if I press the plus button, you'll see that there will be an add person place. So it's a place that you add your person, the first name, the surname, and if you save it like this, then there will be a person here, which, because I didn't type their name out, and you can slide to delete. This is a very good tool for people who are tutors or like a businessman to manage your employees or the students, which is a very good function that I've provided for my mom and my mom's friend, which is a music tutor. Well, aside from the Objective-C or the app coding, well, my next ultimate aim is actually to become a web developer. Well, as you can see here, I've self-taught myself some of HTML coding, the CSS coding, and also some basic functions of Ruby or PHP. Well, actually, I think that I really want to make a website that allows students to swap their surveys. So, in reference for that, I've chosen a website that's similar to my idea, and I would really want to represent it. I use the idea and the reference from SkillSwap, which is a very good website I find, well, very useful for people who really want to swap their skills and save their money instead of hiring experts to help them do stuff. Well, by using this idea, I've created like a prototype of my own website called the Survey Swap. Whenever they want to have a survey done, they can just post a request there, and thousands of users can just help them or do them a favor, and in return they get a ticket. This is actually a very complex web application which I want to make, and it's very similar to those basic social websites. However, it allows and it targets the students and also the researchers, or the people who want to go for scholarship. So whenever they want to have a survey done, they can just post a request there, and thousands of users can just help them or do them a favor. So this is actually a very good website, I think, that can help the researchers or even the students to swap their surveys and get tickets to help others to do surveys or even do someone a favor. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much. You want a survey to be done? Sign up now.